quadratic equation by the middle term split method. Okay, very easy. We already discussed this method in the class 8, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So first
Yes.
question is 2x square. We are starting with the example minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0. So listen, what is middle term split method? Outer terms, 3 2s are 6.
Basically, yeah.
3 2s are 6 and the
So yeah,
middle
the
term
product we
is
should get a
5.
6
This is 5.
and that should be 5. Yeah.
Yeah. So choose any two numbers whose multiplication will be 6 and their addition will be 5. Okay?
Minus 6 plus 1, right?
Minus 6 plus 1. No. No,
Plus
Hurya.
1.
Minus 6 plus 1. We have to add. We have to add that number. So you will get 5.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah, this
we
sign
can take 2
3
and
2.
3 only, right?
Yeah,
Because like
3 and
minus
2.
2x plus 3x. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So 3x plus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. Then multiply with the negative sign. Negative 3x, negative 2x plus 3 equals to 0. Take x common. So it will be 2x minus 3. In the other part, negative what? 1. Negative 1. Okay. So it will be 2x minus 3 equals to 0.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
2x minus 3, the first part, and x minus 1 is the second part, equals to 0. Now x equals to what? 2 factors, 3 by 2 and the other one is 1.
And positive 1, yeah.
Yeah, so these are the two factors of 2x square minus 5x plus 3 quadratic equations solution. Okay, so this is called the middle term split
Yeah.
method. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Come on the next example. I am writing 6x square minus x minus 2 equals to 0. So it means 6 2s are 12 and this
Yeah.
minus this sign will decide, means we have to add or subtract, means choose any two numbers whose multiplication
Yeah.
is 12
Okay.
and their difference is 1.
So
What?
we can take like minus 4 and positive 3.
Minus 4 4 3.
Yeah, because we need like
No, listen,
negative,
we
right?
only take 4 and 3. Don't say minus 4 and means like the integers, because when you multiply this minus, negative 4 automatically gets minus sign. So 6x square minus 4x
So wait,
minus
before
3.
that we were not using brackets, right?
What?
I was saying like that.
What? Repeat.
Before that we weren't using the brackets, right? That's why I was saying like that.
Okay. Yeah. Means it is I'm drawing the bracket for the means for avoiding the mistakes overall. Okay. Means sometimes we do the directly, so sometimes with the minus sign there is a mistake. Okay. So 6x square negative 4x.
So ma'am, 1 minute. So that, ma'am, the constants integer should be outside the bracket, and like how do we know like what signs to put in the bracket?
Listen,
That's why I'm getting confused.
4x minus 3x. Difference will be 1.
Yeah.
And 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12.
So basically we put constants like sign outside the bracket, right? The
Yeah.
constant sign.
This sign. This one.
No,
This one.
the negative 2.
Yeah. Hurya, listen. This sign only for deciding this sign, means how we take difference. What means the question is related to the difference or the question is related to the addition? That's it. And rest of
So
the
if
things
I
means,
don't do like this bracket part, is it okay if I don't do this? Because in our school, we
Hurya,
have the
you can,
second chapter
yeah.
polynomials.
Listen,
So she did not say anything.
you can do it directly also. No issue. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So minus minus plus 3x
Yeah, okay.
minus 2 equals to 0. You can start with the this line after the question without using the bracket. Okay? No issue. Okay. Take
Yeah, okay.
2x common. So it will be 3x minus 2. Take plus 1 common. So it will be 3x minus 2 equals to 0. So 3x minus 2 equals to 0 and 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Okay. So 3x equals to
Okay,
2
ma'am.
and x equals to 3 by 2. First factor, and 2x equals to minus 1 and x equals to minus 1 by 2. So there are two factors. Quadratic equation means two factor. It will be cubic, so three factors. Okay. So x equals to 3 by 2 and x equals
Okay,
to
ma'am.
negative 1 by 2 are the two factors of this equation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. This is the 3x square minus 2 root 6x and plus 2 equals to 0. So see, 3 2s are 6. Multiplication will be 6, and when we add those two numbers, answer will be 2
Oh,
root 6.
okay.
Answer will be 2 root 6. So tell me the numbers, Purya.
Okay.
Their multiplication will be 6 and their addition will be 2 root 6. Purya, look at the middle term. 2 root 6. When it comes, if we add any
Yeah.
number, okay, and or if we subtract any number, so condition is we have to add. And in the case of root, means we have root in both the terms, then we will add, like 2 root 3 and 2, so we can't add them. If it is 2 root 3 and 2 root 3, or you can say 3 root 3, means both the terms have same root number, then we will add or subtract.
Yeah, like the like terms.
Yeah. Okay. So same thing in this question. Think any two numbers whose addition is 2 root 6 and multiplication is only 6. So Hurya, listen. If I choose root 6 and root 6, so their addition will be 2 root 6 and their multiplication will be only 6 because root is cancelled. In the multiplication, if two numbers
Yeah.
means if
Yeah,
we multiply
okay.
root 6 and root 6, so answer will be only 6. So we take root 6 and root 6. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's see.
1 minute, ma'am. Let me write. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, like that 2 root 6, it's like the power, or like it's written as
No. 2
number
and
differently,
simply
because you
root
read it.
6. Multiplication form, not the power.
Yeah, okay. But that's what I was asking.
Okay, see. 3x square minus root 6 plus root 6. Wait. Yeah, sorry. I know, I didn't wrote the x. plus root 6x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, 3x square minus root 6 minus root 6x plus 2 equals to 0. Okay, now it's time to take common.
Okay.
So how we take common? See, 3 written like